What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Darius Riddick here, aka Riddick Line, aka the Elite Athlete. And today, what I'm gonna do is bring you what? Where my buddy go? Hold on. Hey, here he is. So, what I was gonna say is I'm gonna bring you 4 awesome exercises, a full core workout, ab carver that you can do with Arnie, the ab roller right here. Not this guy specifically. This one's mine. But you can do this circuit at home. You can do it at a restaurant, at the gym, I don't know, at a pool, anywhere you choose, as long as you have one of these guys right here, okay? Because this is really gonna focus and harness that core strength, that core power, and cut it up. All right, so add these exercises anywhere in your training regimen and make it happen. All right, no more talking, let's do it.